Hey guys, today I am gonna show you how to use ChainIDE Debugger to understand the execution and the flow of your smart contract. The ChainIDE Debugger can help you for the testing and validation of your smart contract as well as for refactoring and maintenance of your smart contract. Let's have a live demo of how to use ChainIDE Debugger to understand the execution and optimize your source code. So I will be choosing a built-in template, the storage smart contract. Before we can debug a smart contract, we need to compile it and deploy it. For deploying, we need to remember that we need to deploy on the JavaScript virtual machine, which is actually not a blockchain, but a simulation environment for the testing purposes prepared by the ChainIDE team. So I will be choosing JavaScript virtual machine. For compilation, I will deploy it on the JavaScript virtual machine. Here we can see our smart contract in the interaction panel after successful deployment. So now we need debugger to understand the execution of our smart contract. I will enable debugger plugin from the ChainIDE plugin manager. I will click here and we can see the debugger panel here. So we can get the transaction hash after we make the transaction. So I will make a transaction and put some breakpoints. So the smart contract execution will stop at these specific breakpoints. So I put here 2 breakpoints. And I will make a transaction to our smart contract. And here we get the transaction hash. We can see by clicking here also in the internal transaction. So I will go to debugger panel, choose the file that we have compiled and paste the transaction hash and click on the start debug button. Here we can see all the information like how many steps our smart contract is taking to execute this transaction, which opcodes are involved, like how much the gas fee is being used by each opcode. Here we can see push is using 3-way and is on the 44th step. We can see how many steps are being used for the complete execution of this smart contract. Here we can see 232 steps are being used for the complete execution of this smart contract. And here we can see all the opcodes like swap, push, swap, swap, push. And here we can see step by step. This is the beginning and this is step by step. Let me minimize the size. And here we can see, for example, this is the first step and now second step. Here we can see all the steps involved in the execution of our smart contract, the gas fee used at each step, and all the other details. So these all information can be used to optimize for the testing and validation, for maintenance of our smart contract. Here we can see when the state of our smart contract is being changed, when local memory is being used, when the state memory is being used. We can check each and everything. Here we can see the function and all opcodes. Here we can see all the details downside here each step. So here we can see no local here state variable is unsigned int 0, but no value has been assigned yet. So we keep moving and we can see when the value will be assigned and when the value will be released again. Here we keep moving and here we can see the value has been assigned. So I entered 343. So the value was assigned and jump dash this opcode is being used. And here we can see the value is being changed to 343. And this is the way we can analyze the complete execution of our smart contract. We can check all the opcodes that are being used in the execution of our smart contract, and we can analyze the gas fee being used for each opcode. We can optimize our source code by analyzing all this information. So give a try to ChainIDE Debugger, optimize your source code, find bugs in your source code, and it can help you like for refactoring, change the code to use opcodes that consume less gas fee. Give it a try today and reach us with your feedback how we can improve ChainIDE on our social media channels. Thanks for watching and have a great day.